Welcome to Ascend RVA in Richmond, a student accommodation that has everything you need and more. Depending on whether you choose a premium studio, 1 or 4-bed apartment, you'll unlock a cozy bed, spacious walk-in closet, stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry facilities to skip laundromat halls, and tanning beds for spa-like relaxation. Get productive in the community workspaces, sweat it out in the action-ready gym, dive into the luxurious pool, or unwind in the social lounge with friends. Sip on a warm cup from the coffee bar as you prepare the outdoor grilling station for juicy barbecue bites. From water and speedy internet to routine pest control, everything comes included in your rent. Oh, and on-site garage parking is also available for your ease. When it comes to famous unis, Virginia Commonwealth University and Virginia Union University are just minutes away, making your timely arrival to class inevitable. With buses from Lombardy and Broad plus the Arts District station nearby, traveling will be effortless. So book your stay at Ascend RVA in Richmond via amberstudent.com today.